In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Todoist for assistance, whether you're encountering a problem, have a question, or need some guidance on how to use their platform more effectively. Todoist is a versatile tool designed to organize your work and life, but there might be times when you need a little extra help navigating its features or solving an issue. Not to worry, reaching out to Todoist support team is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you're on a computer, a tablet, or even your smartphone, the process remains largely the same. In the address bar, type in todoist.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to Todoist's homepage. The homepage itself is full of information about the product, but we're looking for something specific today, getting in touch with their support team. Once the Todoist homepage has fully loaded, your next step is to locate the help center. To do this, you might need to scroll a bit or look for a menu, depending on whether you're on a mobile device or a desktop. The Help Center is designed to offer solutions and answers to common questions, making it a valuable resource. However, if you can't find what you're looking for or need more personalized assistance, contacting the support team directly will be your best bet. After clicking on the Help Center link, which usually takes you to another page dedicated to support and FAQs, you'll notice a variety of topics and categories designed to help you solve common issues or guide you through using Todoist's features. But we want to go a step further and get in touch with someone who can assist us directly. For that, look for the Contact Us option. This might be located at the bottom of the FAQ list, within a menu or prominently displayed on the page. The exact location can vary. Clicking on Contact Us will lead you to a form or a page where you can submit your query. This is where you'll have the opportunity to detail the issue you're facing, ask your question, or even provide feedback. It's important to be as detailed and clear as possible to ensure the support team can understand and address your query efficiently. Include any relevant information, such as what you were doing when the issue occurred, the type of device you're using, and any error messages you might have received. The more context you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to help you. One pro tip before you submit your request: take a moment to review what you've written. Double checking your explanation and ensuring you've included all relevant details can make a big difference in how quickly and effectively the Todoist support team can assist you. After you've submitted your query, all that's left is a bit of patience. Todoist support team typically responds promptly, but response times can vary depending on the volume of requests they're handling. Rest assured, they're committed to helping users get the most out of their experience and will be in touch to assist you with your inquiry as soon as possible. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to contacting Todoist for any assistance you might need. Remember, the Todoist Help Center itself is a treasure trove of information, so it's always worth exploring if you haven't already. You might find the answer to your question without needing to reach out directly. However, should you need personalized assistance, following the steps we've outlined today will get you in contact with their support team, ready to help you tackle any issue or question you have about their platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, whether you're a new user or an experienced Todoist enthusiast, there's always support available to ensure you have the best possible experience with the app. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Todoist's team is there to ensure you can keep your work and life organized with ease.